Honestly, on through.
Like 6 to 7 tonight, and we're gonna drive all the way through. Where were you at?
Go get some last minute stuff from Smith.
Alright. We got, oh, this guy's all colorful and shit. Boss comes up to me a little bit before I was supposed to get off and goes, oh yeah, I gave you the days. Wally World! Dance!
There's a police right there.
So?
Can't do that.
Here, watch. Kyle, dance. Do a dance.
This guy was a stripper in his halfway. I was good.
Come on, get over here.
And he's super cool.
Come on. We all just kind of split up.
Where the hell did everybody go?
Yeah, okay.
These are okay. Say hello. Hi.
Hi.
See, look.
For it. Uh-oh. We're going to go to Mickey D's, whatever the hell.
Figure it out there, buddy.
A food place.
Food!
I don't know. What happened to your voice?
You're freaking me out, dude.
Everybody.
Good morning. It's not morning. It's still. Oh wait.
It's morning. Good morning, Kevin. And then we'll see you guys back in California.
Oh, California. What's a Californication? Dude, it's Red Hot Chili Peppers, dude.
What's a red hot chili pepper?
Oh, you're a mother, dude. Wow. Dude, look at the picture. Holy shit.
I know.
Man, you can't see shit. Look at that. Fog. Oh, just came out of nowhere, the fog.
Kyle, it's just like it's just fog, whatever. Good morning, Kyle.
Uh-oh. Start one now.
Hey, Brian.
So,
Say hi. Kevin.
What's up?
Update for vlog day 2. We are in California. I think we're 2 hours away from Los Angeles.
no, we're never.
What are you doing?
Trying to get him to blow his horn.
It doesn't hurt, it just feels like my ears are like a subwoofer going blah, 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 blah. Leo. Gonna meander over here for a second. It's kind of loud here. I should probably be using my gimbal as well, but it's all the way in the car. So yeah, California is cool. Oh my god, a shirt. What's Kyle doing? Anyways, we'll probably start this up again when it's not so loud.
Oh, man. Wow.
That would have sucked.
Pumped out. Kevin. Dude, is that a Supra?
Is that a Supra?
Is that a Supra? Dude, is that a Supra?
It is a Supra.
The guy's probably like, they're recording my car.
still had that Chevy.
Oh shit. That's too much.
Are you guys excited to go see the ocean?
Yes. Super excited.
Not really.
What?
Not just messing to your chorus, dude. Slap him. Look
Hey,
at this guy.
Brian, you excited for the ocean?
Oh hell yeah.
Kevin? Wow! Brian, Kyle?
Oh, you know it. See, these are the ones I was telling you, the white and the black one. He was.
Oh
gonna
yeah,
go in.
yeah. Oh yeah, they said it was like walking distance.
Ready, guys? Cali stop in California.
What's a Cali stop?
Where you don't stop.
All the way. Oh.
Yeah, I do those all the time then.
I think you might have been arrested here once.
Turn right onto Barrel Street, then turn left.
Like a helicopter. Do I turn this up?
Crown.
Kyle's bag looks cooler than mine because it's leather. It would match me so much better.
Yeah, but they don't. Okay, just go up to the.
Go into the lobby.
Yeah,
Go into the lobby. Take a right.
We'll just see our parents out there.
Go into the lobby.
No, don't say anything,
take a
just
right. Go all the way down to the end of the hallway, and then the elevators, and then go to the 5th floor.
We'll meet you at the 5th floor.
Yeah, just meet us at the. Hold on. Here, let's come over here for a second. Are you recording right now?
No,
Do you record us kids saying all of that stuff?
Yeah, that's how we do it. That's how we budget.
We're under sheet.
That's one thing I don't like about this camera. The back of the
you gonna
screen
bring
turns
your
off so you
gimbal
can't
inside?
tell what you're recording.
Is it in the car?
Yeah, it's in the car. I'll do it later. We just use yours for now.
I'm gonna, when we get up to the room, I'm gonna
There we
set
go.
mine up. Because I hate the jankiness of this little...
So as you can tell, we're in a parking garage.
Yep.
Are you recording?
Yes.
I know Kitty is. My hair's fucking curly.
Anyways.
Yeah, like we look like.
So,
We might go get a haircut.
what? You're gonna waste money on a haircut?
So where did I go again? I got lost.
What?
Go in there. Okay, and then make a right. You're gonna play the bar. Make a bar. Take a right and go all the way down the hallway and then go to the elevators. 5th floor.
We gotta wait for them to get in first, and then we can go in. This is gonna be really
Or we
weird.
could be behind them. We don't.
Oh, look at that cute hole.
Or we can just go in there.
Yeah.
The wardrobe? No, that's something else. That's not parking garage We went through that elevator.
I think you will take this up and just went up to the second floor of the damn parking garage.
Kind of as fancy as the other one we were at. Huh?
This one.
Well, you got it like worse out of all of us.
You don't want to go with the pilots?
Nah.
You guys coming?
Yeah.
Why not?
Fly with you.
Sort of fly.
These elevators go pretty quick.
Push tight. No,
Five.
Five? Yes.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah, anytime.
So we're gonna go up here.
getting up first.
Oh, that's pretty cool. So stabilizing?
Yeah.
Is that battery operated?
Sorry, can I
Yeah.
sleep for that?
It's always here. Sorry guys. Have a good day.
Met some pilots.
That was cool.
We flew on an elevator.
Yay!
With some pilots.
It's like,
Woo!
sort of.
Feels weird.
I know.
Don't do this thing. Moves.
Yeah, it does.
Wait till it goes down. Oh, hey guys.
What's up?
Where are you guys staying?
Right, we're up here now. You take the
What's your room number?
We don't know.
Where's Kevin? There's not Kevin.
Kevin, walking around like the strip of like Hollywood Boulevard,
You do not
People
walk
are-
off like that.
What?
people are gonna mistake you from one of the guys from Mythbusters. Jamie, I think it is.
Jamie. Jenny.
Janine. Lieutenant Nine.
Bought you a box of chocolates.
Cream.
Dude, you are like the loudest person on the place.
Well, this hallway echoes.
Ice cream. Lieutenant Nine.
Got you some ice cream.
It's like the one in Las Vegas. What? The one me and Anthony stayed at. Oh, really? Yeah.
I don't like how you're holding it.
Man, it's like you get a workout just sitting in your room.
I know. Well, and then me and Brian ran down the stairs.
Don't touch it. There you go.
I'm gonna touch it.
Dude,
I'm holding my GoPro, dude. Careful.
you making fun?
Thank you.
Smells Philly in here.
You called the windows fun?
Yeah. Huge game, huge game.
I call right here then. This is my spot here. Don't touch it.
It has a balcony. I'll sleep under the mirror.
Under the wit mirror.
Yeah, I'll
Well,
sleep.
Brian's already got right there. Yeah, Kyle's already called it. You
the
can go right
wood
here.
So who's got the beds?
Leo and Ashley, of course. And then I don't know who gets the other bed.
Someone can split it or something. I don't know. I want to see this balcony real quick. So it's like if I drop my
Mine.
Did you look at me?
We got-
Paper, scissors, shoot.
No. I take claim. Nope, nobody claimed it. It's mine.
Paper, scissors, shoot. I'll cuddle with you.
Yeah, then you guys are gonna have to cuddle.
There's
There
your
is
wall.
there is no cuddle. I will take the floor then. That I don't
Brian,
cuddle.
you want to cuddle?
But then did you see
Dude, I don't care. The
Didn't you
bed-
claim
bed's
under the
fine.
desk?
That's your side, this is my side, okay? Don't go over the border.
I got under the desk. It's my shit.
Okay? Alright?
Someone can sit
Good.
on the couch.
That ain't
It's not
couch.
a couch.
Oh,
Kevin can cuddle on the
In California. What do you think?
Picking under the desk.
Dude, you don't want to pay that.
Hey. Go out in the balcony.
Me and Brian
did.
already checked it out.
Already came and scooped it there.
downstairs.
That's
Oh,
why.
that's why it took so damn long.
Oh, we were trying to figure out ways to get you guys in.
Yeah.
Patio.
Bring this chair in.
Goddamn.
Make more room out
Nigga, damn.
I can't do this. Too much.
Those are gonna only hold 3,000 pounds. I just want to go the other thing.
Mini kitchen. Bathroom. Let's see. Cool. Hey, look at this. Ooh.
Leo. There's Andrew.
Everyone's filming. That's what it's
Film
like
it,
to be a
everybody.
YouTuber. You stick cameras in people's faces.
We're in Long Beach?
No.
It's in between both of them. Yep, we're finally here. Friday, first day. What we have planned to do today is we're going to see the beach, one or two of them. So like maybe this beach and Santa Monica Pier. So what we're going to try to do today for the first day is we're gonna go see probably this beach over here. Then we're gonna go see Santa Monica Pier and the beach over there, Long Beach and such like that. And we're gonna try to go hike the Hollywood sign up to the back of it, and we might try to go see if we can walk down the Hollywood Walk of Fame or something like that. But we'll see how today plays out.
My black nail, though. Look at this.
Oh, that would really suck if you dropped your phone, huh?
That would be horrible.
What's up?
Hey, what about me, dude?
Leo's in the back.
He got you to the little creeper in the back. Yep. Everyone else is just kind of left out of it.
Hey.
What?
That's my side of the bed, keep it thick.
Your side of the bed?
Yeah.
Who said? Who's sleeping there?
I am.
Cuddle boys.
What the? Hey, get your nasty ass up from my side of the bed.
I'm doing a vlog. Shut up.
Why is everybody wearing the same colors now?
You didn't get the memo?
I was wearing a hoodie, so I forgot what color
Okay,
shirt
so-
I was wearing.
Anyways, we're going to try to figure out what we're going to do first, and we'll get back to you guys in probably a few minutes as soon as we get out and about. So, see you in a minute.
Maybe.